This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Here's a Tesla Model Y Performance Juniper, and today I'm going to check out the new Sexy app version 6.4. It's going to give you guys lots of new features. It's already loaded with features, but now you will get some other new features. So let's check it out. And also, now we have sale on all the Sexy products. Sexy buttons, strip, knobs, whatever, except for the dash, 20% discount, and then also Teslabjorn discount on top of that, so it becomes 28% combined. So now is the time to shop for enhanced products. But this car actually has the Sexy strip install. It was done by Bilkomponenter at Kløfta, and well installed because you can't see any cables here, unlike when I did it with Marcus, but we are noobs. So if you're not familiar with Tesla, that outer strip, that is the one that comes with the car, and then this is the extra strip that actually has lots of smart features, and it has way more segments than the one that the Tesla has. And then we also have the Sexy dash, we have the Sexy stalk here, and then the Sexy knob, but no buttons. Yeah. Okay, the first feature is not very useful, it's more cool. If you go to the strip here, you can change the color here, for example. And if you click on it, you can choose whether you want the solid color, but you can go to here, animation, and now there's a new animation, which is the Kids Night Rider. And then, yeah, it will just animate like this when you're driving. Very cool at night. As you see, if you use the blinker, you'll get this. Very useful. But default, it works on half the strip and it animates. But if you switch on the edge here, you can only let the edge part blink, and you can actually choose how wide you want it to be, from 10 to 20. I guess that's 20 segments then. Impressive. Very impressive indeed. And the next feature might work best if you have a knob, because you can then enable track mode here. So Tesla hasn't officially enabled track mode in the display yet, but you can do this via the enhanced products. So we have track mode on here, and then the other button here is for stability, and the third button here is for handling. And the way it works is that I can show you better if we put it in here, okay? When you press this button, you will enable track mode. It becomes red briefly and then goes back to blue. And then this button here will change the stability from -10 to +10. And then the third button here is for handling, 100, 0, or in 5 increments, all the way to 0 and 100. And I'm not sure what's going on now with the drivetrain. The pumps went high. Yeah. I'm not sure if maybe it's pre-cooling battery or... Okay, and then you can just press this button here again to stop track mode. And if you open the door, by default, the blue light here that I've set also goes there. But then there's a new feature. If you go to Commander and then ambient light effects, open door warning. Now you can set it to red, for example, and then it will blink red. Or if you don't like that color, you can choose whatever color you like. Maybe yellow. So this is what it looks like. I have the kit here on the Sexy strip, and I've used turn signal. Yeah, nice, I like the edge. Turn signal again, okay. And let me see, if I use the other turn signal, yeah, then it's over on that side. I like this better than the half, because you don't need the whole half. strip to be illuminating. But you see, now we have the kit, but if I do this, go in the autopilot, then it goes blue. So yeah, I don't know if you want to have it like this when you're autopilot, or you want kit also in autopilot. Then out of autopilot, it goes back to the kit. So yeah, I wonder if this is one of the few cars that has the sexy strip along with the regular strip, like on Juniper and Highland. First I thought, no, it's waste of money and waste of, or it will look weird, but I think actually it looks nice. Yeah. So the Tesla strip has very few segments. It's only that half and this half, pretty much. But the sexy strip has so many more segments. But then you can have different features, like, okay, the strip can just, the Tesla strip can just be like this, and then the sexy strip can do something else. So, well, yeah, it actually makes perfect sense to have this in a Highland or Juniper. Well, and then also the dash, do I like it far or near? I actually kind of like it far, because then it's closer to my vision. So it becomes like a poor man's head-up display. Yeah. But I'm not sure. If I spend more time putting it near, maybe I like that better. So there you guys have it, the new 6.4 update. It has lots of new features with already a shit ton of other features in the Sexy app and in all those enhanced products. So go check it out, man. Enhanced really makes the Tesla so much better. Yeah, and as usual, you can use my link, and don't forget the discount, the sale, and then you get minus 28%. So now is the time to shop. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.